TRIMline was established in 1997, focusing on the production of modular partition wall systems and offering product development, design, manufacture, and installation services. It offers fast and high-quality services to all the customers with its sales stores and showrooms in Istanbul, implementation retailers all over Turkey, and its agencies abroad, in addition to its manufacturing facilities in Balıkesir. Currently, it is one of the leading companies in the sector on private institutional projects, acoustic material solutions, and office furniture, determining the office trends in Turkey. The most distinguishing factor about our systems is that they grant nearly an unlimited opportunity for design. We especially attach importance to custom-made project solutions, which is the most difficult issue for designers. We create modifiable partition modules created by horizontal and vertical design. Our systems, which have already proven their quality, pave the way for limitless designs with easy and fast assembly and disassembly, with the motto, free dimensional space. TRIMline interiors blend into your overall design concept, add a certain flair to your building, and give you the added freedom of flexibility and functionality. TRIMline satisfies all needs in an ideal office life, with congruity of material dimension and color and efficient space usage, practical and elegant and perfectionist solutions of its systems. We offer a wide range of production varieties: HPL, coating, lacquer paint, fabric, painted glass panel finishing, door varieties, and sound-absorbing elements. TRIMline systems provide maximum transparency along with economical glaze solutions due to their simple and refined design concepts. With TRIMline systems, it is possible to preserve the required privacy due to their flexible light-admitting nature and effective sound insulation and acoustical comfort of spaces. Your acoustic solution partner. TRIMline offers project-based production services with special applications in plenty of various areas such as schools, hospitals, hotels, residents, offices, and workplaces. TRIMline was granted ISO 9001-2008 Quality Certificate and FSC, which is a global forest certification system established for forest products. TRIMline has become partners of famous manufacturer companies that have been cooperated successfully at an international level. TRIMline systems are easily mountable, replaceable, and adaptable thanks to their flexible designs, and they constitute one of the crucial components of sustainable buildings. TRIMline, which has been sensitive since its foundation about the protection of natural resources, reuses waste materials, uses recyclable products as packing materials, and makes arrangements in the production program with the aim of optimizing its energy efficiency, and thus contribute to lead in BREEAM projects at a wide scale.